Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to have Word read your text. For today's video, we'll teach you how to have Word read your text. So this is very helpful if you are doing a recording video, you just want to record your things, or you just want to listen on how your story goes, or if you want to just know how the pronunciation is. Well, this video is for you. So the first thing you need to do is open up, of course, your Word. Once your Word is open up, go right here to review. Click on review. After going to review, you will see speech right here. Read aloud. So there we go. Just click on that. And as you can see
One,
here,
two, three.
it's reading it. One,
A,
two,
B,
three.
C.
ABC.
H-I, hello.
HI, hello.
Yes, no.
Oh, wait. Yes,
Right,
no.
wrong.
Right, wrong. So I think this is my mistake because I put in a capital I. So we're going to make it a small letter I. So let's try it again. Read it.
One, two,
1, 2,
three.
3.
A, B, C.
C.
Hi, hello.
There you go.
Yes, no.
So,
Right, wrong.
as you can see, if you put in the wrong word or you put in the wrong capitals on a word, it will read it wrong. So there you go, guys. Yeah, and that's how you make your word read your text. There you go, guys. I hope you guys liked the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. And a little bit of tip for you: you can also change the AI's voice into female. Just click right here and click here, and you can change the female voice, and you can also change the reading speed. There you go, guys. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.